Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel in Ultimate Coder. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a chatbot. So first create a new tab and type here code.org. It code.org. Then sign in. I have already signed in, and your name should come here. Now go click on create and go to app lab. Now first we will design our chatbot. So first background, I will choose my background color to gray. Then I will choose label, make it bigger, and in here we will write my chatbot. Okay, so my chatbot. Now text color is good. Background color we will choose first. We will first do this, then choose white. Now increase the font size and text alignment, make it center. Now border width, border radius, increase the border radius, and now this is good. So now we will now take the text area block and place it here. Now in this you will write here, write everything in caps. Then we will make the font size bigger. Where is the font size? Yes, this there, not this big. Yes, this. Now change the border color to black. Change the border radius to as you like. I like this. Now yes, this is the border red. Now take the text input block, make it bigger. Yes, this much bigger. Now in here write type here. Now increase the font size this much. Yeah. Now we left border color black, border radius, border width. Now take two buttons. Okay, take two buttons. So this button will be the answer button. Here is the ID to answer button. Understand? Yes. And this button will be the reset button. Now change the text limit to answer. Now change the background color to green. I am choosing green. You can choose any color. Now increase the font size. Let me just also increase the border radius so it looks good. Now go to the next button and right here reset and change the background color to any color you want. I am choosing light blue, or you can call it cyan. Right? Now this is good. Now we will code our chatbot. So go to code. So now we will code our chatbot. Now take the on event block and on event when the answer button clicked, go to controls, if, then go to math, take the equal block, put it here. Now go to UI controls. Now take the get text block, so it can take the text from this block, text input 1. Okay, so text input 1, yes, equals, put here commas, double commas, and if the text equals anything, you can write, you can type here anything you want, like hi. Then take the set text block, and what is the ID? Text area 1, and remove it and write here hello. And you, the thing is that you can also make your chatbot to speak. Okay, so take the where is it? Take the play speech block, put it here, and now play speech hello. So it will speak this. Okay, now you can choose it to speak in female voice or male. I will choose it to male. You can also choose the languages you want. I am choosing English. So this is done, and again you can just take the on event block and do this same code and put as many commands as you want, like on event answer button click, go in controls, take the if block, if, then go to maths, take the equal block, then again go to UI controls, take the get text block, and then choose it text input 1 equals how are you, then go to set text area 1, and right here I am fine. Then go to, so that it also speaks, then choose the play speech block and right here fine, I am fine. And choose it to male or female, choose the language. So like here you can place as many commands as you want. So I have only put 2, but you can put any as much commands as you want. So now for the reset button, let's check that it works or not. Type here hi, answer, yes, it is answering. Okay, so now go to take the on event block, and what is the ID of this button? Reset button. Reset button clicked. Okay, then take the set text block, and we will change this text in this box text. Now take it and right here write everything in caps. Okay, now again take the set text block, so we can also reset this box text. Okay, and what is the ID? Text input 1. And now in this just delete the text in it. Okay, don't write anything, or you want to write, or then write, but then don't delete. So this is our chatbot. Hi, answer hello, and reset. Wait, there's a error. Oh, you want reset button click. Oh wait, I have not put the ID in it. Write everything. What is the ID? Wait, reset it. What is the text area 1? Okay, now it will work. Hi, answer, now reset, route every, okay, it is working. So that's all for this video. Bye, and like this video, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends so they can also learn it. Bye.